How to create a table of figures in Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Word on your device. Here, click on References at the top. In References, click on Insert Table of Figures. After you click on Insert Table of Figures, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, you'll find all these options. If you want page number, you can also click on Show Page Numbers and make sure there's tick mark. And you'll find the preview as well. You can add text here as well. And after you're done, press on OK. And after you press on OK, you will find Table of Figures in your Word. And this is how to create a table of figures in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.